wife, I keep telling them she was alive when I did. Not exactly the confession you were hoping for.
We've got eyewitnesses who saw you fleeing the scene, fingerprints, signs of a struggle, and that scratch on your neck. I'm pretty sure the DNA samples we took from under the victim's fingernails are going to match yours.
You didn't find a surveillance camera?
PES combed the entire room. If there was a camera, we would have found it.
That doesn't make sense.
John Ross, if you know something that could help you, please.
I got nothing left to say.
John Ross Ewing, you're under arrest for the murder of Veronica Martinez.